because snow is on the ground.
Chief Meteorologist Tony Petracca is in the Weather Center. Tony, I was telling you earlier I hadn't looked out a window in many hours. The scene certainly changed pretty quickly.
Yeah, coming down at a good clip, and it didn't waste any time sticking to untreated surfaces. I've been looking at various DOT webcams across the state. So obviously this is bad timing for the evening commute, but the arrival time about now was expected, and it's obviously it's sticking, and some untreated roads are slick. So you're waiting for someone to come home from the evening commute. It's taking a bit longer. We look at Newport with poor visibility and snow and fog right now, looking at temperatures that are in the lower 30s, and you can see the Ioway Bridge in Providence, and at times moderate to even briefly heavy snow. Now, if it were to snow at this clip for many hours, there would be quite a bit of snow, but the game plan here is to have the intensity of the snow starting to ease later in the evening and during the overnight. And that's why we'll still go with a general 1 to as much as 3 inches of snow, the bulk of it falling now over the next several hours. Temperatures that are in the low 30s in most locations, including 31 in Providence, so certainly the atmosphere is primed for mainly snow. It's cold enough. So a snowy evening, especially the front part of the evening, but it does become lighter later in the evening and during the overnight hours. And unsettled conditions, not that tomorrow or even Thursday are stormy days, but we'll have some lingering kind of nuisance precipitation both days. For instance, tomorrow it's kind of, some flurries and drizzle and some light snow showers, that kind of a deal, some slick travel early in the morning. Another blast of cold air on the way. This is slated for Friday and Saturday. In fact, it looks even colder than the blast we had this past weekend. All right, on the satellite and radar composite, the darker blue indicates the moderate to heavy snow, but draw your attention off to our south and west, and notice how it starts to break apart. The coverage here is not as solid. So the second half of the evening, the intensity of the precipitation will be easing up. Here's a wider view, and you can see this little feature right in here. We call this a dry slot. So in the upper levels of the atmosphere, the air is going to be drying out. It'll be still damp near the ground, but in the upper parts of the atmosphere, some drier air is going to work in. And when that happens, usually the intensity of the snow tends to shut off. It becomes more intermittent and light. And that's what we expect later in the evening and during the overnight hours. Temperatures now in most areas in the lower 30s. We'll draw you in closer and step you through this hour by hour. Of course, the colors represent precipitation type. Pink is a mix, green is rain, the darker blue is steadier and heavier snow. This is 7 o'clock in the evening. And here we are at midnight. Notice how it starts to break apart, and the intensity and the coverage is starting to fall apart as well. So for tomorrow morning, we are waking up to snow showers. It's just very light. Temperatures near the freezing mark. Anything untreated will be slippery and slick. Extra travel time, at least early in the morning. And then notice how the coverage really decreases in the afternoon. What I expect the second half of the day is more of either flurries or some drizzle from time to time, looking at temperatures in the middle to upper 30s, and tomorrow evening occasional either flurries or some drizzle during the early evening with temperatures in the low 30s. So snowfall accumulations generally statewide, we're looking at a 1 to 3 inch snowfall. Now, there may be some isolated higher amounts right up in here, the far northwest part of the state, but on average, generally as little as 1 to as much as 3, with about 80% of it falling over the next several hours. In fact, there's already an inch of snow out there already in some spots. So for this evening, initially it's steady and coming down at a pretty good clip, and then later in the evening and overnight it tends to lighten up. Temperatures upper 20s to low 30s. And here we are tomorrow with occasional either light snow showers or rain showers, slippery early in the morning, temperatures that top out in the middle to upper 30s. All right, 7-day forecast. Well, a couple of snow showers on Thursday, windy and colder, frigid, and I can't stress that enough for both Friday and Saturday. And then all eyes on the next storm potential. Stay tuned on this Sunday night into Monday with a chance for snow and temperatures in the 30s. Tough travel this evening, so take it slow. Brian and Mike.